How to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on time management. And now here in this section, if you scroll down there, you'll see the option labeled as sleep mode. So just tap on it. And now here in this section, to turn off sleep mode option, you just have to toggle off this sleep mode option, and here with that you'll able to turn the sleep mode option off on Instagram. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.